This is the intro on how to skateboard. Pros of skateboarding, say if you don't have a car, no license, no trans pass for the bus, you can get anywhere you want to go, as fast as you want to. Life's under your feet and your control. Also, I don't know about you, have a board, you look pretty cool. Get all the girls, it's like me. You can also play air guitar. And that pretty much sums up the pros. Okay, now on to the cons. Well, that's right, there are none. If you're a beginner, you're going to want to hold on to something so you don't lose your balance, and you get a little comfortable being on the skateboard. Alright, now, I see a lot of people start with their dominant foot in the front while they kick off the back. This is pretty much up to you. I'll start from back here with my foot, because I feel that's more comfortable for me, and I kick off and I'll get on my board. For the stance. Now, you can either do this, skate like this, but it's pretty much up to you, whichever more comfortable. That's your basic stance. You want to bend your knees a little bit too. You don't want to look like a stick. You don't want to stand up looking like a stick. You'll fall. But here you have all your balance. You're in your power zone. And this is how you stop. You just put your foot down. Simple as that. You kind of just want to shift your weight. If you want to turn left, shift your right to the left. Right, shift your right to the right.